For all the people who are looking to take a little bit of a risky trade, this is the following trade I'm suggesting, where you buy Bank Nifty futures March at current price, and you sell. I'm sorry, and you buy uh, Bank Nifty 41,800 PE at 59 rupees, two lots. You buy futures at 42083, write it down, 42083, and at 57 rupees you buy two lots of 41,800. 57 rupees you buy two lots of 41,800. This is going to be a risky trade, friends. So only if you have capital to evolve, you will take it. We bought Bank Nifty futures 42,083 March, and we bought at 57 rupees two lots of the 41,800 PE. One futures, two PE. I repeat, one futures, two PE. I'm repeating for the benefit of everybody. One futures, two PE. 29th March expiry of Bank Nifty futures, 41,800 PE, two lots at 57. All right, this is the position that we've taken. It's a bi-directional trade we've taken. Praveen is going to keep a close eye on that. Oops, what happened here? Just a second. Just a second, friends. I hope some of you have taken the position along with me. Yeah. Okay, we entered Bank Nifty March futures at 42,083. We bought Bank Nifty 41,800 PE. This was +1. Current March expiry and current expiry. I've already told you all that while taking the trade. 2 +1 at 57, 58 each. All right, this is the latest one that we've taken. Okay, this is the latest one that we've taken. We basically want 100 points move on this side or that side, friends, before 3:30. It is a risky trade, friends. The risk in the trade can be approximately about 100 odd points, so 2,500 rupees. But it's a high risk, high reward kind of trade. So that is the trade number 3 that we've taken for the day. Nifty near puts. It has to move either up or down aggressively for us to make money. 1:2. Taken, Ketan? All right. Yes, Mohit, I do. I do. Let's go to the 15-minute and see what is cooking over here. 15-minute had a small buy zone over here, which played out a little bit. Nifty still +67. Generally, movement is seen after 255. It has double puts. A protective put spread is slightly different. A spread would involve selling of a unit as well, Sheila. So it's not a spread. It's not exactly a spread. Yeah. Can you all tell me why I took the March futures? Mohit, for XLT, you'll have to get in touch with Sherkhan Education. Yeah. Buying should always be far. Satish, I didn't follow you. We've taken and add the money. at 59, which is already become 58, which is already making 30 points. So we are not losing any money over here. Chirag, we bought Bank Nifty March futures. We have 41,800p of 16th Feb as well at 58, and that one is off. Premium will erode, but that is why we are expecting a movement, right? It has to move to one direction. If that movement happens, then the premium erosion will be worth it. Currently, you notice 40 points we are making and 10 points we are losing only. So we are already making 10 points over there. So if it moves sharply, gamma will help us, delta will help us, and theta will be against us. Capital required. Praveen will inform me on the capital required in a minute, but I assume it should be about 60,000 to 70,000. Ranjita. Bhavna, I hope you got the trade. I repeated it. I hope you got the trade. With two puts and futures. Okay, Praveen informs me the capital is 23,000, friends. The capital is 23,000. I've been informed. So cross check at your at Sher Khan's end as well. Saikat 42,083 and 58. Those were the entry prices. We're expecting 0.25% move up or down. PE is of 16th Feb expiry as shown in the screen. PE is of 16th Feb expiry. It was on my screen, so you shouldn't have trouble understanding that. At 20K, okay, 2023. Somebody saying 70K. This is the trade. This is our trade number 3. This was 16th Feb. This is March futures. All right, so let's have a look at our chart, because nothing is suggesting in our chart right now. Still taking support at the Keltner. So Keltner is still not playing bad boy. Bank Nifty is flat. It has to go decisively. Like I said, no, 0.15 towards the downside, then only it will help. March week futures is not there in weekly expiries, my friend. Future is always there. Saikat, because premium was there of the Feb futures, which will erode in the next 1 hour. My specs looks very trendy. Okay. Who said that? Vijay Dillon. This is a custom Louis Vuitton glass. I'm glad you like it. Some people think I look nerdy, but I'm glad you liked it. Option strategies is based on implied volatility, Shripal. You're absolutely right. On expiry day, it's more based on movement. On expiry day, it's more based on movement. As we are coming to 2:30, the number of people in my room are increasing just because in the morning I said I will give a trade. Just because I said I'll give a trade, correctly at the trade time 2:30, you see the number of participants are increasing. Rahul, can you explain when to go with C and P spread? Satish, when you're sure of the direction. When you're sure of the direction is when you go in for spreads, my friend. Vidya, which one did we exit you're saying? Can you help me with that? Which one are you saying we exited? We could have bought deep in the money, but the capital required is still small only, my friend. Do you give these kind of trades? Just downloaded. Yes, these trades are there on the HEDGED app as well, Kanu. It will not be naked at 2:30. We are in a bi-directional play over here. Yes, Shripal, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Now some movement is coming, friends. Some movement seems to be coming on the downside on Bank Nifty. What is the OPN coming? 500, 600. Keep it open, please. 800. At 1000 rupees, we will exit this position, friends. Huh? 1010 is the current profit being made. People who are conservative, when you're making 1000 points, exit it. I am still holding because I'm an aggressive trader. 1000 rupees is being made for the conservative traders. Exit. 1000 rupees is being made, or when you make it on depending upon your entry values, you will exit. And I am an aggressive trader. I'm holding on, and everybody in the audience who's aggressive, hold on. You need to have a little risk appetite on the day of expiry. 1260 right now, friends. This is 42083. The value is correct. Entry. Then it will be even better. 1000 plus rupees you're making. 1600 currently, friends. It's being made. That is the power of when you can trade, right, friends? 1600. Take your exit, friends. Can hold till 3 p.m. But if you have more than one lot, 50% exit at 1600. 1600 is the current price. 50% exit at 1600, friends. Praveen, exit ours also 1600. I have exited half my quantity at 1600, holding on to half my quantity, friends. Did you all book it, friends? The people who took this with me. Did you all book this? Good one, brother. 1900. There comes your Bank Nifty move. That is how good our analysis is. 2600 being made currently, friends. I'm holding on to half the quantity again. I'm holding on to the balance half quantity still. I told you that when there is a parity, a move will come. Bank Nifty crashing. Friends who are holding 18,000 PE, exit it at 8 rupees. I had told it to you before as well. Exit it at 8 rupees. Ketan Maru 1261. Good job, Ketan. Every bit of our analysis went right today, friends. Every single bit of our analysis. I'm not trying to give myself a pat on the back, but every single one of our analysis went right. I said when the momentum starts on, you will make it. What is it at 2000 right now? 1900. Exited. What money did you make, Saurav? What money did you make? 4K plus. Jayashree got 1350. Nitin. Vanita is showing a smiley face. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Good job. Thank you for the good vibes, Vanita. Okay, I am still holding, remember, 50% quantity. Let me see till where I can hold this. Dhaval, good job. Good job, Maharishi. This is what live sessions are about, friends, where we make money together. 4K Vidya, excellent. Good, I can expect all of you all to be back for my next expiry session. I'm still holding on to 50% quantity, friends. I've exited 50%, so my trade is at free now. I don't have to pay anything for my trade. My trade is completely free right now. Yes, Nitin, that is correct. My trade is basically free now. 50% I've exited, 50%. Saurav 3625. Good job done. Good job done. What an expiry we have. It ends well. I'm live in front of so many of you. This is what expiry trading is about. I'm still holding 50%. Tech Savvy made 2600. CA made 23,000 rupees. Wow, CA. You're taking me out on a treat, right? Shekat, you took one lot. I had larger quantity. My trade is basically free. Even if Bank Nifty shoots up right now, I will exit at break even. Amit, people who can trade live. 10K made. All right, all of you post your profits on the screen, friends. Praveen, record this now. Post your profits, what you all made on this trade with me live. So I can inspire other people. Mr. Rana says he's made 10K, Abhishek 1500. Jayashree, no, we are not at break even as yet. Guys, post your profits so I can see. Paresh says 4K. Guys, all of y'all, all the 20Ks and the 5K guys, post your profits over here. 2,300, 2K, 3,400. Okay for us. We'll join each other next time around. But good job. 1,500, 2,000, 3,800, Satish. All right. I am still having 50% quantity though. What is the profit, Praveen? 1,550. It's still 1,600 for some of you who've not exited. But I'm holding on to 50% of my quantity. All right. Shall I come to the last trade of the day, friends? See, 500 plus log aa gaye. Anuj, 50% I've booked out. The other 50% also you can book out. It's making, I think, 1,500, Praveen is saying. Pramod made 4K. Nitin, I'm not sure when the next session is, my friend. I'm not sure. Whenever Sher Khan calls me, I will be here. They are like family to me. 1450. Uday, I don't know what you've done wrong. Okay. This is the Nifty bank chart. This is the Nifty bank chart. All right. Shall I come to trade number 4, friends? Shall I come to trade number 4 and the last trade? And then we'll recap all the trades taken for the day. And then we'll recap all the trades taken for the day. Yeah, trade number 4. I want you to put these strikes on your screen, friends. I want you to put these strikes on your screens. Put on these strikes on your screens, friends. Put on these strikes on your screens. What you're seeing on my screen. I have the Nifty March futures. I have the 18,000 PE of April. I have the sold call at 18,200. You had only trade 2, Nitin? Trade 2 is not in a loss of 1255 unless you had 2 lots because we exited the PE at 8 rupees. I have Nifty March futures on the screen. I have 18,000 PE on the screen of April end. I have 18,200 call of April end. Of April end. Okay, I'm holding 50% quantity still. But before I come to the trade, let us recap. Trade number 1 made rupees 1,600. Trade number 2, we exited the put option at 8 rupees and we had 650 rupees loss in the earlier legs. Trade number 3, we made rupees 1,600 again. Totally, we've made approximately 3,000 rupees on a capital or total capital of 2.5 lakhs or 2.6 lakhs. 2.5 or 2.6 lakhs. 3,000 on 2.5 lakhs. What is the return on my capital, friends? What is my return on my capital? My return on my capital for today, all trades put together, even though some of you booked bigger profits, some of you made more than this, but my return on capital on 2,50,000 rupees, if you had taken all my trades, would be approximately 1.2%. 1.2% return on capital for expiry day. Is that good, friends? That comes to about 5% for the month. Even if you take fees, it will be above 1%. Follow the rules. It will be more than 1%. If you could make 4-5% a month by just trading on 4 days of expiry, if you could make 1-2%, sorry, 4-5% a month just by trading 4 days of the month, just on expiry day, it's a good situation, friends. It's a good situation. That's 50% a year. And all my trades were protected. All the 520 of you watching this, were all my trades protected? Yes or no? Right, end to end, all my trades were protected. Mayuresh, it was completely protected. Both sides we were making money. Both sides we were making money. That's the beauty. Yes, I'm playing long, Srinivas, just because IV is very low and premiums are very low. Make no mistake, friends. We've made 1.2% on a day where market Nifty moved 50 points totally. And I'm still having some position in Bank Nifty left. Now I come to trade number 4. This is an open challenge to all of your friends. You will not find a trade like this on the internet. You will not find a trade like this on the internet. Are you all excited to see my trade? Are all the 520 people in the room excited to see my trade? Yes or no? I'm going to wait for your answer, friends, and only then I'm going to give you trade number 4. All right, here it goes. Trade number 4. We buy Nifty futures March. We buy Nifty futures March. What is the current market price of Nifty futures March? 18,176, 175, 18,175. We buy 18,000 PE. Just a minute. Just a minute, please. Let me go to next. Puts 18,200. 18,200 April. Sorry about that. 18,200 April is trading at 325. 325. 18,200 PE at 325. Okay, we buy. This is not plus. This is buy. We sell. This is April end expiry. April end expiry. We sell 18,200 call option. April end expiry. at CMP 385. Ladies and gentlemen of the audience, I will come to the explanation of the trade. I will come to the explanation of the trade. To the 520 people watching me live, this is the trade. We buy March futures at 18,175. What is April futures, Praveen? April futures is at, then we buy 18,200. 274. 18,200 we buy at 325. We sell the 18,200 call of April end at 385. One lot. This is not a calendar spread. This is called as the Rahul spread. There is no, this is not a calendar spread, my dear. The reason is because this is a cross between a collar and a spread. So there is no, you can call it a modified collar, you can call it few different names, but I'll call it the Rahul spread. All right. That's on a lighter note, of course. One lot each. Capital required. I'll let you know the capital required in a bit. You all can also check. Sher Khan has a very handy tool to check what the capital required is, right? So you all can also check the capital required. Yes, it is like delta neutral, but delta neutral has very low chances of making money. Delta neutral has very low chances of making money. This has slightly higher chances of making money. Actually, a lot higher. No, Satya Prakash, it will be around 70K. Sher Khan is showing. Sher Khan is showing about 70K odd. Where we will get follow up. No, then don't take it, friends. Don't take it if you want follow up. I don't know when I'm going to do a new session with y'all. There is something similar on the app, of course, on the HEDGED app, but I don't know when I will do a next session with y'all. Learn how this is done, friends. Learn how this is done. Learning is the important key over here. All right. Now, let me ask the 525 people watching my session over here. Let me ask the 525 people watching my session over here. Where will I lose money on this trade, ladies and gentlemen? Where will I lose money on this trade? This is not intraday. This is from learning purpose, friends. Don't be in a hurry to take it. Okay, it's good to learn. It's good to understand. Ketan Maru says no loss trade. Are you telling me that we can actually plan trades like this in the market? Rahul's modified collar. Yes, that is the name I have given to it. That is the name I have given to it. The Rahul trade. Capital required 78,000. Where will I lose money on this trade? 535 of you watching. Bank Nifty is climbing up. Where will I lose money on this trade? No, this is not a trade for the payoff chart, Amara, because I have used multiple expiries. I'm glad follow the rules. Is there a book of yours, Venkat? No, my dear. I don't have any book. The trade time risk in the trade. This is the non-MTM risk. Non-MTM risk is rupees 7,500. Non-MTM risk this is. Okay, holding period will be approximately 1.5 months. 1.5 months. All of you watch YouTube videos. All of you watch, do courses. All of you do 50 things to learn options. My question to the 530 people in the room, where will I make a loss on this trade? You forget we just traded live in front of 525 people, made 3001.2% return live. Not ye trade, ye price pe lena hai and all that jazz. Where will I lose money on this trade? The target profit is rupees 7,500. Rajiv, if it doesn't move, are you sure I will lose money? Because my call credit is higher than my put credit. Remember, my call credit is higher than my put credit. Let VIX go upside. I have a sold unit as well as a bought unit. VIX going upside really doesn't hurt me. VIX going upside doesn't really hurt me. I'm still waiting for an answer. Where will I lose money? Not to forget, friends, my 18,200 is in the money by 130 rupees. Would you all agree with me? My 18,200 P that I have taken is in the money by 1,300 rupees. Yes or no? Vidya is asking if trade goes to 17,500, what happens? Let's have a look, Vidya. If market goes below or to 17,500, let's say, not even below. If market goes to 17,500, what will happen? My futures will be at loss. Yes or no? Give me a yes if you all agree with me. My futures will be at loss. Yes. No, Raju, that is incorrect. Yes. What will be the loss in my futures? What will be the loss in my futures? Tell me in terms of points. All right, friends, before we go any further, this video will be live available in the Sherkan channel, friends. For all of y'all, this video will be live put up on the Sherkan channel. If any of you want to watch the recording, it's going to be put up there on the Sherkan channel. You can watch the recording, see how I've planned the trades. It will be put up in the evening on the Sherkan channel, right? Current market price of the spot is 18,072. I will lose 573 points. I will lose 570, sorry, 575 points. 570 points. Would you all agree with me? Yes or no? Loss in futures, no. We are still looking at this coming between the next 1 month. This is if it happens in the next 1 month, ladies and gentlemen. If it happens in the next 1 month, I will lose 570 points. Remember, till the second last day, there is a premium of 20-30 points. Yes or no? Yes. So I will lose 570 points on my futures. Will I make profit on the put side? Will I make profit on the put side? Sapna, the loss is not 675. Please note that the premium between the spot of Nifty and March futures will not become zero in the middle of March, my dear friends. It will not become zero. There is 15 days left in March. March is a long expiry. March is a long month, 5-week expiry. Yes or no, friends? So I will lose 570 points over here. Will I make money on the put side? My 18,200 P will have intrinsic value. Will have intrinsic value of 700 at 17,500. Time value will be at least 60-70 points. Time value will be at least 60-70 points. Nitin, the recorded session will be on Sher Khan's YouTube channel. I have just been informed. I have just been informed. It will be on the YouTube channel. All right, now so 760 will be the price of my PE. I would have bought it at what price? I would have bought it at what price? I bought it at 325. This was bought at 325. Now 325 minus 760. I will make 435 points. I will make 435 points. Okay, so note, I'm losing 570 over here. I'm making 435 over here. Then I sold my call of 18,200 at 385. Will this erode or not, friends? Because it is far out of the money. It is far out of the money. Will it erode or not? It will become some 100 rupees. It will actually be less than 100. I'm still saying 100 or even 150 you keep. This is March middle. Ashwini, this is March middle. Yeah. Which means I will make 385 plus 150. 385 minus 150. 235 points over here. Now my profit is going to be 235 plus 435, 670. My loss will be 570. Even if it comes, even if I take your point of 670, still do I lose any money on the downside? Even if I take your point of 100 rupees, that premium will become zero, which it will never be. Which, let me tell you, it will never be. Still, I don't lose one single naya paisa. Would you agree with me? On the downside, I don't lose one single naya paisa as of March 15th. My 18,200 call will keep eroding, however. Yes or no? My 18,200 call will keep eroding. Yes or no? Will I make money, friends? Will I make money? All those people who understand options will understand what I'm talking. Newer people will find it a little more difficult to understand. Now, on the upside, okay, let's see what's happening to Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's still there. Let's come back. On the upside, we exit the trade when we are making 7,500 rupees profit, because the return on capital becomes 10%. And 10% return on capital in 1-2 months is a good return on capital to have. Okay, Ankur, I took 670 points only. Still, I'm not losing money. And if it continues to go down, remember this 150 rupees I will make back. Uh, Mahapadma, generally, price has a tendency to pull itself to the 9 EMA. And Keltner channel acts as broad contours of where price movement trades inside. All right. On the upside, my bought PE is at 325. My sold CE is at 485. My sold CE is at 485. By default, I will make money on the upside. You all agree with me, because my spot is still at 18,050 or thereabouts. What is my spot trading at? 18,060. My spot is still trading there. So, ladies and gentlemen, is there a possibility of me making money on both the upside and downside? Yes or no? 500 of you in the room. Yes or no? I want all 500 of you, or whoever has understood the rationale of the trade, to give me an answer. Nitin, even with 675, I'm making money. Is this a good trade to take, friends? Is this a good trade to take? $385, I beg your pardon. Still, it will make me money. I will not lose money even if it closes at 18,200, 300, 19,000, 19,100, 19,500, 20,500, 21,000, 26,000, 40,000. Nowhere on the upside I will lose money. Nowhere on the upside I will lose money. Exactly, Rajiv. Mohit, you need to understand how to plan these strategies before taking them. Everything we can't learn in one day, right? Even if there is no movement, Shivram Krishnan, my call premium is more than my bought put premium. Would you agree with me? No, Praveen, you can't do that. Please don't do that. The risk I have already given to you, the maximum risk can be 7,500, which I'm calculating it might have some MTM losses here and there. Exit is when I make 10% of my money. Bhavna. Exit is when I make 10% of my money. Obstra cannot be used for such kind of strategy, Shiv Ramakrishnan. Whenever there is multiple months expiry, Obstra cannot be helpful. Nifty Bank has come to exactly my entry prices, close to my entry prices, back again. But it's a good thing I have 30 minutes. Then my trade would exit at break even. Sunny, we don't know of unknowns, but it is a high probability trade, in my opinion, Sunny. Yes, Nelson Matthias, it's the fixer trade. But this is a slightly different version of it. Downside is also safe, Ankur. Pramod, where you execute it is really your choice. No, Hitendra, because my call is more than my put. And we don't need to wait till April end, right? We don't need to wait till April end. Option illiquid, I highly doubt that, but because you're asking, I'll check. Where did it go? Yeah, you can take it, friends. Unless you're trading with 50 crores and facing a problem, then yeah, you can't do it. Indranil, in the explanation that I just now showed, my dear, would you agree that I have extra 150 points of call side credit at 17,500? The explanation that I just gave you. Krishnan, out of experience, when you spend time with me, you will start to understand all this, Krishnan. Suneet, the exit strategy is when I make 10% on my money. I'm happy with 10% on return in about 45 days. I'm happy with that return. No, because it is completely hedged, Hitendra. Yes, Nagesh, the premiums will not be so favorable like it is right now. Hitendra, MTM will not generally give you a problem, not to worry at all. How did you all like this strategy, friends? How did you all like this strategy? Excellent teaching. Thank you, Kapil, for being so kind. I mean, you all have been very kind with me today, friends. I must appreciate that and thank you from the bottom of my heart. But how did you all like this strategy? Yeah, generally we should look for an exit in 45 days. Or a lot of you watch YouTube. You all watch people on YouTube. Have they ever come up with something like this? Have they ever come up with something like this, such high probability? Ask yourself, friends. Ask yourself that. How we mix and match options is really the crux of the game. How we mix and match options is really the crux of the game. Well, 3 p.m. had no movement in Bank Nifty. Yes, Abhishek, you're absolutely right. Thank you all for your kind words. No, Mahapadma, we cannot. It has to be favorable conditions. So let's recap the day, friends. Let's recap the day. We said in the morning, that markets will remain, or the expiry is most likely going to be between 18,100 and 18,200. Did that happen? Did that happen? Yes or no? Point 1 of expiry range. We were right with respect to this. Yes, absolutely. If you notice, the expiry is happening perfectly in between the range. Yes. Next, let's jot down. Next, we learned this was based on Y. Next, we learned that the 9 EMA and Keltner channel pulls price towards itself. Was this also right? And did it play out beautifully, friends? It played out beautifully, friends. The 9 EMA pulled prices towards itself. The Keltner channel pulled price towards itself. It worked out beautifully. Then we said that PCR is an important indicator, and trend in PCR is what you need to see. Also played out very well because Nifty PCR came crashing down right from 2.5 to zero point 0.6. Then we had a profitable day where we made 1.2% minimum on our money. Some of you made more on our money. And we ended the day with a very low risk nifty strategy. This is what we did in the 6 hours we spent together, all of y'all. Remember, the recording will be available. The recording will be available on the Sharekhan platform for all of y'all to go ahead and see. I hope y'all enjoyed this time with me here today, friends. I think there were about 1,000 people at one point in the day. Then it was fluctuating between 500 and 800. I hope all of y'all enjoyed your time with here. All of y'all made money along with me. And I will keep you all updated, and I will see you all again very, very soon. All right. Bank Nifty is still not giving me a loss as yet on my balance half quantity. Ravi, the capital required for the fourth strategy is 75,000, 70 to 75,000. I hope to see each and every one of you the next time when we do this. Okay, there should always be new learning. There should always be. Bhavna, we've made 1.2% on our money. We can take a downside Bank Nifty 0 to hero call, but then I think it's better. We've had 3 live trades in the live markets. Mohan, it might give you some MTM losses, but if you have an evolve where if markets goes down, you sell a lower call, the chances of loss is very, very low, my friend. Morningstar, I don't have any mentorship program. You'll have to contact Sharekhan with for anything like that. Sharekhan is the channel name where this recording will go up. I'm glad you enjoyed the day. I'm glad you thought it was a great day. I mean, if we are able to make 1.2% return in a day where markets were flat, thank you for your kind words of excellent presentation with valid examples. Thank you. Thank you. I'm in a very mild profit in Bank Nifty. 1,200 I'm making per lot. And I'm still holding it because I will hold it till 325. Chiti Babu, I will hold it till 325 because my trade has become free right now, Chiti Babu. I have booked 50%, so my trade is completely free. Vinod, that is just a figure I have kept so that you all don't get scared with any MTM numbers. Maybe next time, Mr. Mohammed. I'm glad. Thank you. Thank you, all of you all. I'm glad you all liked the day. I'm Bank Nifty now making me some more money, friends. 1,800 per lot. I'm still holding it, mind you. Still holding it. 1,800 it's making. Bank Nifty is moving down. I'll be with you all till 320 till I tell you what I exited this at. Because there are still 500 of you in the room with me. Not necessary, Rakesh. Not necessary. I'm so glad, Makran. Thank you for your kind words in saying that. Thank you for your kind words. I'm waiting for a blop in Bank Nifty to exit my position. Raju, anywhere from 10 lots to about 500 lots? I'm glad you found the session interesting, Ajit. Bank Nifty, my puts are at 135 right now. Now it will only have intrinsic value, of course, because it's past 3:10 on the clock. Ashok, I summarized today's discussion. We were able to predict the range right using OI contours. We were able to use the 9 EMA and KC to decide price movement. PCR we understood a little bit. We had a profitable day using our 3 live trades. Most of you made more than 1.2%, and we planned a very low risk Nifty strategy as well. Bank Nifty still going towards the downside. Bank Nifty trade was for expiry day only. Raju, like I said, between 10 and 500 lots. Until 18,260 has been able to take out till the on the top side. We are still in sideways trend, my friend. All right, Sheila. Yeah, Ashish, I hope you got my view. I hope you got one of the best sessions you have attended. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you for your kind words. That is what keeps me motivated. When you all show me so much love, that is what actually keeps me motivated. The trade we've closed, Mayuresh, on Bank Nifty. Both, both is preferable. All right, friends, I'm going to exit my Bank Nifty position right now and I'm going to close the day. It was a pleasure here to be with all of y'all. 500,000 of you trading live with me. It was really a pleasure. Thank you so much for all the love you've shown me. If you keep showing me this kind of love, I will keep coming back again and again. All right. Have a good evening ahead of y'all, friends. Remember, always be safe when you're trading, always use hedge strategies. And this is me signing off. Goodbye.